American Pickers Update. Frank Fritz has huge breakthrough amid stroke. Frank Fritz of American Pickers has experienced a huge breakthrough during his recovery from a stroke in 2022. Fans have been watching and waiting worriedly ever since news broke about Frank's stroke last summer. Before departing American Pickers, he was a fan favorite who was sorely missed when he left, as he has spent the last year recovering from the medical crisis. Frank's most ardent fans have been hungry for updates. Now someone close to Frank has given them the update they have been longing for. Read on to find out what's going on with Frank's stroke recovery. Frank has been in a conservatorship. In August 2022, news broke that Frank Fritz was being placed under a conservatorship. In the event that someone does not have the mental or physical capacity to care for themselves, the court system can create a conservatorship. This allows a conservator to make legal and financial decisions for the incapacitated person. A guardian is often appointed to make decisions for the care and continuance of the person in need of help. In the case of Frank, the conservatorship was established to help him deal with the after effects of his stroke. His close friend Chris Davis functions as his guardian and Bank is the conservator. Court papers filed to establish the conservatorship showed that concerned parties felt Mr. Fritz's decision-making capacity is so impaired that he is unable to make, communicate, or carry out important decisions concerning his own financial affairs. As a result, they said that the conservatorship was necessary to avoid immediate harm to him. So for the last year, Frank's care has been coordinated between Chris and his conservator, and they have provided the steps necessary for his recovery. AP Update. Frank Fritz has had a huge breakthrough while recovering from a stroke. Now, in an exclusive interview with The Sun, a person close to Frank Fritz has provided a positive update on his condition. The unnamed friend told the outlet, "Frank continues to improve daily. You're never 100% after a stroke, but he's fine. He's aware of what's going on." They added, "If he were sitting here right now, you could sit and talk to him. He's the same old Frank." In the immediate aftermath of the stroke, Frank was confined to a wheelchair. Over the past year, he has recovered some mobility, but will always need the wheelchair to navigate long distances, according to the friend. They added that Frank's stroke impacted the right side of his body, and he continues to receive outpatient therapy services during the long road to recovery. But rather than missing his time in the spotlight away from AP, the friend explains that Frank is enjoying being totally out of the limelight. And for fans worried that Frank may have lost his good nature, never fear. The friend added, "He's a happy guy and his sense of humor is there."